Hello everyone, it's Dr. Teba and today you will learn how to write a normal 9-week pregnancy obstetric ultrasound report. This is a sample of a normal 9-week obstetric ultrasound report. The report starts with the indication for performing the scan. This is a normal pregnancy, so the indication here is the routine dating scan or to confirm intrauterine pregnancy. Then you can write the gestational age by LMP, which is 9 weeks 2 days in this example. Then you can write gestational age by CRL, which is 9 weeks 0 days in this case. You can either write gestational age by CRL in the beginning or later on in the report. It is up to the estimated due date can also be written below this. Next we write the findings. Start with the uterus. Uterus anteverted, normal in size and shape. No fibroids noted. The uterus is anteverted in most cases, so you can write this statement. Then we can write about the endometrium, mentioning the presence of a gestational sac in the endometrial cavity. Endometrium, gestational sac visualized within the endometrial cavity. After this we can write about the gestational sac. Gestational sac, single intrauterine gestational sac measuring 3.7 centimeters, which in mean sac diameter, appropriate for gestational age. Then we can mention the yolk sac present, normal in appearance. Next we can write about embryo or fetal pole. Embryo, single alive embryo seen. This is followed by writing about the crown rump length or CRL. Crown rump length is 23 mm. After the CRL, we can write about cardiac activity and mention the heart rate. Positive fetal heart rate measured at 174 BPM. Normal range for gestational age. We can also add fetal movement. Gross fetal movements observed. This is a very important line, but you can mention it if you like. Finally, we write about the adnexa, the cervix and the cervical length. Adnexa or no adnexal masses or free fluid noted. Both ovaries are visualized and appear normal. You can also write the sizes of ovaries here. Cervix closed, length approximately 3.5 centimeters, which is normal. We can end the report by writing the impression, which simply concludes the finding. Single alive intrauterine pregnancy corresponding to approximately 9 weeks gestation. Positive fetal cardiac activity. No abnormalities detected at this stage.